Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and I'm going to share with you what I see on Bitcoin chart today. And also we are going to check the Ethereum we talked about yesterday, and two other coins. They have got a good chance to make a rally to the upside. Stay with me, let's check them out. If you remember, about 10 days ago in this video, actually I told you Bitcoin has got a chance to reach to $13,400. Now if we see in here, Bitcoin is still playing in this rising channel. I'm expecting Bitcoin to go to $13,400 in the next few days. It is not financial advice, but I'm expecting that to happen. If we go with the Fibonacci extension from this low to this high, and if we go back to this low again, what we can see in here, the 100% of the Fibonacci extension of this rally we have got, it's actually about 13,450. And now I'm expecting Bitcoin at least to go and reach $13,400 area for the next few days. And the $13,400 actually is the top of this rising channel. We have got Bitcoin still playing inside that one. After that, maybe we are going to rejection from the seller, and Bitcoin going back to $12,500 or $12,100 area. And if I go to my other charts of Bitcoin, what we can see in here, if I go to 4-hour time frame, what we have got in here, actually we have got like a broadening wedge. At the moment Bitcoin is playing inside that one in 4-hour time frame, and the top of this broadening wedge, if we calculate that one, it's actually about the $13,400 as well. Now what we have got in 4-hour time frame, we have got if this candle close at about this area, which is $13,000. What we have got in here, after Bitcoin reaching the bottom of this broadening wedge, it is making a bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame, and now there's a good chance for Bitcoin to attempt another time to go to the upside. I think $13,400 is not that far for Bitcoin to reach to that one. Another thing I want to show you, remember when I told you the $10,700 area is really important for Bitcoin to not break to the downside. It was like a death point for me. If Bitcoin could break this one to the downside, I was out of Bitcoin actually, because it wasn't a good sign. But what happened, Bitcoin actually went up in last 2 days ago actually. But if I go another chart and check it out for you, what we have got in here, we have got another death point is making Bitcoin now at the moment is about 11,350. At the moment, 11,350 is really important for me, Bitcoin not to break this one downside, which is not that likely to happen. I'm expecting Bitcoin to make a rejection to the downside, but which is about a 12,000 or 11,900 with that area. This zone I have got in here as a support actually, 11,750 to 11,950. It is likely for Bitcoin to go back and test this area before to make another rally to the upside. But if Bitcoin going down all the way and break 11,350 to the downside, it's a death point for me. I'm going out of my Bitcoin actually. If we go back to this chart and check it out for you, what we have got in here, we have got $11,300 area was the previous low for us. Bitcoin now is making higher low. If you check in here, Bitcoin every time is making higher low, and the next higher low should be about this area, which is $11,900 area. If Bitcoin break 11,350 or 11,300, that area, if Bitcoin break this area to the downside, that's a really bearish sign for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going further to the downside mode. It is not likely, I cannot see that one happen. What I'm expecting from Bitcoin to attempt another time and push the price up to $11,300 area. After that, maybe we are going to see a rejection to test this support zone actually, which is about 11.7, 11.9, or maybe this trend line is helping us as well. If you check in here, this trend line was working really great as a support, and if Bitcoin go back from this area, maybe this trend line is going to support Bitcoin for another time. If I go and show you Ethereum chart I was talking about in the previous video, I told you if Ethereum could pass $390, which is the previous high for Ethereum, and I told you Ethereum at the moment is making like a ascending triangle. If you check this purple line and this white arrow, actually Ethereum was making ascending triangle, and I told you if Ethereum could pass I told you actually Ethereum could pass before the November, by end of October, could pass 390, which was the previous high for Ethereum, and it happened only I think yesterday it happened. Yeah, 2 days ago, and Ethereum could pass 390, and if you can see in here, actually Ethereum is at $418. We did go long with the VIP channel actually about 390 area, because if you see in here, this green candle in the daily time frame actually was a bullish engulfing candle for Ethereum, and it was like a double bottom for here, and we did go long about this area, and Ethereum could reach the second target for us, and we are making a good profit at the moment. But Ethereum, I told you if Ethereum could pass $390 area, it's actually really bullish for Ethereum, and after Ethereum, other the cryptocurrencies could make a higher high for another time to make a rally to the upside. The other two coins I want to show you, they have got a really good chance to make a rally to the upside. One of them is Bitcoin Cash, is making actually Bitcoin Cash is doing really great. Now what we can see in here, we have got a resistance with the white line in here actually, and Bitcoin Cash is actually broken yesterday to the upside. If Bitcoin Cash could stay about this area by today, I think it's a really good opportunity for Bitcoin Cash to go to the upside, further to the upside. At least I think it's going to test this resistance, which is about at $310 for now. Another coin I'm going to show you, it's Zilliqa. Zilliqa is really doing great as well. Now what we can see in here, we have got the symmetrical triangle, and Zilliqa was playing inside that one, and now what we have got in here, actually it looks like we have got a double bottom for Zilliqa. It did attempt to try to actually to break this triangle to the upside about 4 days ago, but what we see in here, we have got a really big red candle was rejected with this resistance of this upper line of the symmetrical triangle. Now it's breaking it to the upside. If Zilliqa actually could stay about this area, I think most likely scenario for this one is going to be about let me just check and let me just measure the percentage. It actually should be around the 40% to the upside. It is really good for Zilliqa. I think it's going to be happen because of what we have got in here. We have got a really big double bottom in here, and what we have got in here, we have got another small double bottom in here, and Zilliqa was playing inside this symmetrical triangle. Now it's a good opportunity for Zilliqa to make a rally to the upside, and it's going to be like a V shape, and it's really a good opportunity if could stay about this area or actually break this resistance to the upside by the next few days. I think Zilliqa at least going for the from here to here, at least is going for like a 25% to the upside. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you found the video helpful, actually please leave a comment and leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next one.